Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Wednesday, lifted by shares in utilities, transportation, and commercial and professional services sectors. On the economic docket, MBA mortgage applications falling by 4% in the week ended August 12th, while the Federal Reserve Committee released the minutes of its July 26th-27th meeting, where the latter decided to maintain the funds rate at 0.25% to 0.5%. This all while advancers ahead of decliners. 60% of SP 500 constituents, they traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Cisco Systems announcing fourth quarter diluted EPS of 56 cents versus 45 last year, on revenues down 2% year over year to $12.6 billion. Also, L Brands reporting second quarter adjusted EPS of 87 cents versus 68 cents last year, with sales increasing to $2.89 billion. Net income also jumping 25%. And Northern Trust announcing that it has launched securities lending and foreign exchange services in Australia. Now, keeping overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 1.5%. The Hang Seng up nearly 1%. China's CSI 300 down about 0.25%, while South Korea's Kospi up 0.57%. European markets slightly higher, and U.S. futures calling for a flat start. In terms of expectations today, Walmart's second quarter EPS seen at $1.02. Ross Stores second quarter EPS seen at 67 cents, and Gap second quarter EPS seen at 59 cents. On the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, August 13th, initial jobless claims figures, as well as August 6th continuing claims expected. And at 10 o'clock in the morning, we had the July leading index. In terms of the markets, the SP 500 seeing a bullish bias above 2165. Trading Central analysts focused on the SP 500 as the relative strength index is mixed with a bullish bias. Long positions above 2165 are favored, with targets at 2186 and 2191 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq sees a bullish bias, preferring long positions above 4771, and the Dow Jones sees a bullish bias, preferring long positions above 18,443.